I'm Bennett Bartlett. I'm here at Welding. Been here for 3 semesters, about a year and a half, and I am in my 3rd semester of the advanced training side of Welding.
He attended college for a year. He wasn't happy with it.
He got better grades than he did in high school.
He just didn't see a great future in it.
They'd always say that as long as you're doing something, we don't mind, or we're happy for you. But I think their first expectations were that I was going to go to a traditional 4-year university and get a degree in business or something. I like school. I like going to school. I like learning about stuff. I like learning about science and all that school had to learn, but it wasn't the right environment for me. I didn't like going there and kind of sitting in the classroom setting and staring at a book for 6-7 hours a day, and it wasn't really for me.
I didn't know any welders personally. I didn't know anyone who was in that field or in that line of work, then only to come to find out that it is something in huge demand, and there's a great financial reward to it as well.
I'm in the first part of the advanced. That starts off at your 3rd semester when you really get to open groove stick pipe, where you have two coupons, you gotta fill that gap with the weld. Then you start off there and then you advance on to open root TIG welding, and then that also gets you onto the more advanced section of welding, and with each certification, that gets you higher up on the pay scale as far as the job is concerned. I think I'm doing pretty well. It is kind of, it's hard work, but as long as you are in your booth and you're working and you don't be afraid to ask the teachers questions, that's kind of the one thing that is more notable about here versus the classroom setting is no one wants to raise their hand. But here, if you go up to one of your instructors, you're like, hey, I'm having trouble with this, what do I do? Can you come watch me do it for me? They don't have any problem, and there's no embarrassment behind it. And you can make really good money in trades because there's a big gap and no one really considers it. So the job is there waiting on you. You have to show up and perform for that job.
American Graduate Getting to Work is made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.